Hey, what's going on today, guys? My name's Trey. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Canon 70-200 f2.8 version 3. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, this will not be a review of the lens itself. I will not be showing any sample images. I will not be going into any of the specs. I will just simply be unboxing it, showing you what it looks like, letting you know how the build quality is, and that's pretty much it. Now, I personally went with this lens because I shoot street photography, fashion, as well as music. So I needed something with good quality range, just good quality overall. I've heard fantastic things about the Canon 70-200 f2.8s in the past, the version 1 and the version 2. And I went with the version 3. They changed some elements within the glass itself to make the image appear a little bit sharper, as well as if you're shooting into direct light, which I do as a music photographer and in fashion, it'll actually make the image and the subject a little bit clearer. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so here is the box. I know you guys are probably thinking that, why does this guy not know how to do an unboxing? But no, I'm just trying to make this as natural as possible. The packaging looks really nice. It's actually pretty big as well, and it's pretty hefty, but it looks really nice. Pretty impressed by the packaging. Let's open it up. So I'm not sure if this was a mistake, but they gave me a lens filter. They throw in the usual Canon books. Once you open up the box, you are met with this really nice packaging. I'll probably never use this or utilize it, but it's still nice that it comes included. So let's actually get into the lens. Okay. Ooh, nice. Smells really nice. So right out the gate, it looks really nice. The build quality is really solid. If you're familiar with the prior 70-200 f2.8s, the version 1 and the version 2, the paint has actually changed on the version 3. Those are gonna be, how can I put it? I'll just post the pictures here so you can see the difference. The really great thing about this lens is they've actually moved the zoom ring inside. I know I said I wasn't gonna get too much into the specs, but this was just a key feature that made me decide on going with the version 3 over the version 2. So another thing to keep in mind as well with the version 3, this includes the version 2 and version 1 as well, is it does come with this included tripod mount, which I honestly don't think you'll need if you're shooting with a 70-200 f2.8, but it's another cool perk of having the lens if you are on a long shoot. At the bottom of the bag, it does also come with the lens hood as well, which is really nice quality. I actually used to own the Sigma 70-200 f2.8, and that lens hood was a little bit smaller and narrower. This one is actually really nice quality. All right, guys, so that's it. I really think that this lens is one of the best lenses that Canon has ever created. I'm super excited to be able to get out and start shooting. I really think that this lens has a lot of potential. I cannot wait to get out there and just start shooting. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you thought that it was to the point, and if you enjoy those types of videos, or if you enjoy product reviews, I do all types of random things. I own a truck, I'm into photography. If you're into either of those things, feel free to subscribe. I really love this lens a lot. It's got great history in the Canon lineage, and I'm super excited to be able to now be an owner of it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and aloha.